Assalamualaikum. I am Adiba Tasnim. Today we gather here to discuss about role of AI in medical science on COVID-19 in Bangladesh. As we know, AI is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. Basically, AI is playing a big role in the age of science and technology. A developing country like Bangladesh, use of AI is increasing. AI makes our life easier. AI has great impact on the robotics industry, but recently it is emerging in healthcare also. In this situation, AI is very important for medical sectors because AI can predict and diagnose the disease faster. AI has analyzed the major disease types in various ways. It has detected symptoms and data in a very short time, and it helps us to make a decision early. Today we have MD Sakibul Islam, Nahid Hussain and Shakir Ahmed to discuss about this. Okay, Mr. Shakir Ahmed, would you like to share something that you know about role of AI in medical science in present situation for Bangladesh?
Thank you, Ms. Adiba Taslim. In present, the pandemic situation, it has not been used to control all site by AI yet, but it has been a new method of technology which will be helpful to fight with the COVID-19 in Bangladesh. It will be interesting in the researcher of biotechnical field, Institute of Medical Technology, Health Science, and also other people in the medical field. In regarding the past, AI has been played a effective role, so we widely result by technology for preparing, screening, analyzing, prediction, and tracking the current patient and the likely the future patient.
I am also adding with you, Mr. Shakir Ahmed, that artificial intelligence is a part of computer science that aim to create intelligent machines that help to perform clinical diagnosis and suggest treatment. In medical science, AI can be applied variously, like analysis and diagnosis of major diseases such as cancer, cardiology, neurology, orthopedics. In present healthcare, AI has analyzed the major diseases types and has detected symptoms and data in a very short time. Many factors can detect and predict diseases mortality. But what do you think about conventional approach?
Compared with conventional methods, AI has many advantages in improving prediction performance. It refers to the approach which analyzes data and learn to make decisions. In present healthcare, AI trained to detect the disease both normal and abnormal cases compared to previous radiographic. By using AI technologies to medical sectors such as X-ray, computed tomography tools, medical scientists can be able to make safe, appropriate, and effective imaging recognition application for COVID-19. By the way, what do you think for developing country like Bangladesh? How much AI is effective?
A developing country like Bangladesh, use of AI is increasing. One of the researchers published their paper where they analyzed how beneficial AI for Bangladesh. According to the paper, all the tools of AI are not available in Bangladesh right now. So if all the tools are available here, then the benefit rate of AI should increase.
Undoubtedly, AI makes our life easier. It makes physicians and healthcare workers' life easier, faster, and gives an appropriate report. AI technology is useful in COVID-19 to tracking and forecasting the nature of the virus, and it helps to take further decision based on this. So overall, AI technology is useful and efficient for COVID-19 in medical science.
But do not you think that AI-based treatment is expensive for developing country like Bangladesh to compare to non-AI-based treatment?
Yes, Mr. Yes, Mr. Shakir Ahmed, it is expensive to compare non-AI based treatment, but AI provides faster, accurate results than conventional approach. Of course, Bangladesh is a developing country, so some people cannot afford those test costs. For better treatment, patients should test COVID-19 when they face any symptoms, but there are also a huge amount of patients does not test because of cost. If we can reduce the cost, then it will be a good news for everyone in our country.
Yes, I agree with you. In developing countries like Bangladesh, if the cost can be reduced, it will beneficial for all and AI system will be able to move forward very fast. At the moment, whole world passing through the COVID-19, the medical sector tries to prevent this coronavirus more efficiently using AI-trained technology.
I also know another thing that scientists identified the genome sequence of COVID-19 virus with help of AI technology. As far as I know, there are about 800 genome structure in the world and 68 genome sequence in our country. So of course, AI technology is very useful for identify genome structure.
Yes, AI playing an important role in genome sequencing. But what do you think? AI technology is useful in Bangladesh to tracking and forecasting the nature of the virus and taking further decision based on this?
Yes, AI technology can track and forecast the nature of COVID-19. Bangladesh has been divided into red, green, and yellow zone using different criteria. They are doing this by using AI technology.
Also, there has lots of AI-based application which are not only in the other sector but also play a significant role in the medical sector. So I think AI-based application also plays a useful role in the medical sector against COVID-19.
Yes, but one of the major problems in our country is unconsciousness and not ensuring proper treatment. As a result, the rate of disease in Bangladesh is much higher.
Yes, Mr. Sakim Islam, I agree with you. If we reduce the problem and provide proper treatment, then it will be easy for our country to improve medical sectors.
According to today's conversation, AI is the most effective approach to proper screening, analyzing, prediction, and tracking diagnosis of the disease. AI makes physician and healthcare workers' life easier. Comparison between AI and non-AI approach. So overall, AI technology is useful and efficient for COVID-19 on medical science in Bangladesh. Okay, thank you very much for your valuable discussion. Today we knew a lot of things about AI in medical science. This issue is very useful for our medical doctors as well as medical students. Thank you.